Measure 3. Your left hand will start with a pinky and a thumb on the octave A's down here. Then you will move your left hand so your pinky and thumb are playing these two F sharps and then up to these two G sharps. Your right hand will be playing a thumb on A, second finger on the C sharp, fourth finger on the E. It will repeat that, 1, 2, 4. Then your thumb will play the A again with the third finger on a D natural, fifth finger on F sharp. Repeat that, A, D, F sharp with the 1, 3, 5, and then your thumb will move to a G sharp. Measure 3 with counting out loud. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1. Measure 3 without counting out loud.